So I want to show you guys why you want to in-frame an engine that's been sitting for 20 years. And this engine seemed to run good. Everybody thought it was a good engine. We pulled the head off for other issues. And I suspected it had a few cylinders that were low. If you look really carefully here, you see those grooves at the bottom of the cylinder? They're there and they're there. And I don't know if the light will pick it up on the video, but maybe it will, maybe it won't. But there's actually a light, there it is right there. There's a light ring that goes the whole way around the cylinder, and that's where the rings were sitting for 20 years. And when the engine was broke free, that's the damage it did. And that's just above the ports where the rings start to seal, and that's why it'll be down on compression. So it's been running up and down there doing more damage. We've put about 5,000 miles on it running it like this. And every single cylinder, you probably can't see it on the light, but in the video, but every single cylinder, maybe that one's below the level there, but every cylinder has a mark where the rings had been sitting. And yeah, you can definitely see that one. So that's what we're up against right now. And we're gonna in-frame Gus.